Wednesday, Algebra 1, we are going to learn how to graph parabolas. We have solved them. We've been able to find the solutions by factoring. We've solved them by the quadratic formula, and now we are going to look at what their graphs look like. So anytime you have an x squared, you are looking for, we call this a parabola, and a parabola is either going to open up or it's going to open down. Positive parabolas open up, negative parabolas open down. Like I always try to tell my students, and when you're positive you smile, and when you are negative you frown, and that's how you can tell how the graph is going to open.
Did I come feed?
Yes.
Okay, good.
So the equation we're going to work with today is called vertex form, and this is the formula. So a parabola has a point called the vertex, which is the center point. So it's either the peak or the valley of the parabola, and then the a value tells you how it's going to open. So the a value tells you if it is a positive, it's going to open up, and if it's a negative, it's going to open down. I want you guys to go ahead and copy this somewhere. It can either be in your notebook, or you can add a page to Cami where you've downloaded the notes and examples for today, either one. But get this down somewhere because this is all important information, and we are going to use it to do a few examples. All right, so for our notes today, we are going to be graphing in vertex form. And I don't know if you noticed, in the formula, it said minus h, but the vertex is actually a positive h. So we always switch the sign of the x coordinate, the y coordinate of the vertex comes right down from the equation. So on this one, our vertex comes from the x coordinate. It's always the opposite of what you see. So since I see a positive 2 here, it's going to be a negative 2. And my y value is a positive 4. So we are going to graph a vertex at negative 2, positive 4. And then my a value is the coefficient in front of the parentheses. And in this case, it's just a negative. It's actually a negative 1. So it is a negative, so this is going to open down, and I'll show you how to do that in just a